What's up, everybody? Hey, the first thing we're going to look at is commission. And you can see right here the definition of fee paid for services, usually a percentage of the total cost. All right. So guys, all we need to remember to find commission is that it's just percent of a number. So let's look at an example. All right. You can see right here, Jennifer earns 15% commission as a salesperson. She sold a snowboard that cost $851. How much commission did Jennifer earn? So guys, again, commission is the amount this salesperson, Jennifer, is going to get paid for selling that $851 snowboard. She's going to get 15% of that amount, right? So we're just asking ourselves, hey, what is 15% of 851, right? So we know that to find percent of a number, all we need to do is change forms, change 15% to a decimal. Right? Now to go from percent to decimal, we need to move our decimal 2 times to the left. So we get 0.15. And now we just multiply this decimal form, right, times the price. Right? 0.15 times 0.15 times 851 is equal to $127.65. Right? So this is how much the salesperson will get for selling the snowboard.